Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an attributes into your WooCommerce products. So currently I have two kinds of attributes, the color and the sizes. You can manually create an attribute and you can also create a template so you don't need to, re-input again the attribute's name. So if you go into the edit product option, all of the themes has this one. So regardless if you are using Elementor, Divi, or any kind of theme, this section or this option from WooCommerce should be available. Okay, so if you scroll down, you just need to look on the product data and all of the website that runs a WooCommerce has a product data. You can just simply search it in case you can't see the name itself. If you search that, there should be like a product data blocks that you can see on the individual pages. And here under the attributes section, you can create a manual attributes, or you can also save a template. So I'm going to show you how it works right now. So I will also show you the difference between manual creating an attributes or using the template. So this is the manual way of creating an attributes, while this one is a templated version. Okay, now when you create a color like a manual on a standalone attributes, you wouldn't the separation of that is this kind of like vertical line. And that can be done by clicking this custom product attributes. You click that one. And obviously these attributes would not be saved or you cannot reuse it in other products unless you type it out. So if you go in types, like texture, maybe let's just have that, and then put in like a maybe satin and then matte. Okay, and then if you want that to be visible in this area, you need to check this area, these options here called use for attributes. Okay, so if I click save in there and then hit update and then I save it, there's already a texture in there. Now, if you want to change the how the pictures looks like into your when they click satin or they click matte, now what you can do is go into the product data again, go into the variation section, and then you need to add on the attributes that you created. What do you call that? Like add attributes, and then you click that one, and let's say you want to have like any color, any size, but satin, you have a different color, you have a different picture in that. That's also possible to do it. I'm going to show it with you shortly how it looks with how to come up with a different preview depending on its attributes name. But let me just remove this attributes in here because we don't really need the texture. And again, these attributes can be removed by clicking this remove thing in here, save. And you can also drag the positions of the attributes. If you want the sizes to be visible first, then just drag it out. And then I'm going to show you again how the other attributes looks like with a different preview. So if I go in here, I think I have that. I'm just not sure, but let me just find other. Yeah, I think this one has a preview. But yeah, so if you want to have a different preview, like as I said, like if you set up the variation attributes of your product, like hold on. So here on the yeah. So open that to go that. Oh, sorry. Remove that there to go open. Like if you add a variation and then you put a picture in here, you can have a different preview. Like if I click lime or purple, let me just add the sizes. Like it differs on different preview because I've set different picture per attribute. So if I go into the product page, go into the variation, you'll see that in the purple, I set a different picture for that. But for any sizes, again, we have all available sizes for different colors. So I did not set any size availability. I just put in any size. So pink one, and then this is the lime version. I wonder why I don't have a lime, but let me try if I have still in here. Load it. Yeah, here's your lime. Update. Okay. And aside from the attributes that you can put in on your variation type, you can also update the value at once or in bulk. Let's say you want to make let's say in here, you want to update the stack to be all in stock. So all of the products have a stock. So you can also put in like a regular prices. Like if I want to set up like all of these are free ones or zero, that will be updated at once in here if you just use the toggle option. So really a good thing, you take advantage of this one to save your time. Now, what if you have a repeating attributes like you like this one? We have available sizes from 5 to 6, 5 to 11 US sizes. So if you want to save an attribute, you don't want to re-input again an attributes, you can go into the attributes section and then you just fill in like the attributes name. Let's say again, we will use texture as an example. And here, slug is a texture, and there. And then on the texture, I'm going to click the edit or configure terms. Actually, not edit because you can, that is way for you if you want to rename the name itself. So we go into the configure terms in there. And then let's say I'm going to put in sateen, and one more with the matte. And like that. Now I have two types of attributes for the texture. If I go into the product or individual product, instead of typing or manually typing the attributes, which will take you time, you can then instead pull in the templates attributes that you just created, which is the texture, and click add. Okay, and then if you want to add everything, like if this is all available in this item, you can click select all or just select something that is available. Again, just add attributes you want to add a new attributes or something. So with regards with the ordering, I think we need to also change the ordering of the sizes because number 10 is in the first. It should be 11 should be the last. So we need to pull this into the next number of 9. So go into the attributes again. And in that size here, this is attributes that I created. I'm going to move this over to the different at the bottom part. We don't really need to have that on the first thing, and then we'll save. And if I refresh this one, I believe it should be moved on the next size. So yeah, that's how it works, guys. I hope it helps. And if you have any question, don't forget to subscribe or comment down below. I'll be happy to assist you. Have a great day.